What is up, guys? This is Andrew with MyWatchAddiction.com, and guys, guess what? This is my last Watchgang unboxing video. My last Watchgang unboxing video for MyWatchAddiction.com. Guys, I am going to do a kind of summary of my Watchgang experience here in a coming video. And I say that I might get around to it, I might not. I quite honestly don't know if I want to invest the time in it. But I think it's something that you guys might want to see. Just my overall experience from Watchgang from day one. And guys, don't worry, it's not going to be a complete rage and hate on video. I think there's some things that Watchgang does really, really well, and I think there's some things that Watchgang doesn't do all that great. I'm just going to try and give an overview of my personal opinion. Again, it's my personal opinion. I know there's a lot of hate for Watchgang, but there's also a lot of love for Watchgang, and I can see kind of the points of view from both angles. So, guys, look out for that video in the coming months. But this is my Watchgang Black subscription for February 2019. This is the last Watchgang Black or Watchgang Platinum, Centum, original Watchgang period. This will be the last Watchgang unboxing video that you guys see me do. Again, guys, don't hate the company. Don't have anything against them whatsoever. I think that they absolutely hold a place in this world, and they're making a lot of people happy. It's just my personal preference and my personal choice is to step out of the Watchgang arena for a little bit. So guys, enough about that. If you guys have not seen my channel before, just like the mat says, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can follow us in the future. We've got a lot of prototype watches coming up from various micro brand companies that are either currently or about to launch on Kickstarter campaigns. Also, guys, I still have a whole 2 shelves worth of watches that I've received over the past year and a half that I just have not had the chance to get to. So I'm going to take a minute here in the coming months and try to get through all those watches with you. Now, before we get started, the watch of the day is probably my favorite Watchgang Black watch that I received. It is that green automatic pure dial. This guy is a beast. I know Pure Dial got a lot of hate in the past, but I think this automatic model is something that personally I really enjoy, which is especially odd considering that I hate green. Now, guys, before I cut into this, I just want to point out one thing that I thought was really, really stupid, and I thought kind of defeated the whole purpose of Watchgang. So over the years, one of the things that I've talked about that I've loved was the fact that, to me, Watchgang was a kind of a surprise. It was a gamble. It was, you never knew what kind of watch you were going to get. So to me, I looked at it as the entertainment factor. I get this box, and what does it have right on it? It has a Fortuna chronograph label with a model number of the watch inside it. Now, I'm assuming that's the watch inside it because one thing I am noticing on this box itself is this box has been opened and retaped. And guys, I did not do that one myself, so it's going to be interesting to see if I actually have the Fortuna that's on the label of this box or if this box was just reused and sent to me. Anyway, let's tear into it. If this box was just reused and sent to me, that's going to be kind of annoying. I mean, I would think that they would have new boxes, but who knows? And then what's even more annoying is if that's actually the watch that's inside it, how annoying is that? It takes the whole surprise factor and box opening factor away from it. Guys, February 2019 wheel of watches, and looks like they're going back to the cards instead of the posters that they've done over recent months. And I'm going to say we do have a Fortuna because there is a Fortuna warranty card right in top. You can see this warranty card was dated 2/15/2019. That is the model number. Incidentally, that model or style number, in looking at it, does it match up? Yep, it's the exact same style number that is on the label on the outside of this box. So why they would send a surprise subscription watch with the label of the watch on the outside of the box is kind of beyond me. I mean, that's kind of foolish in my opinion. Now, I have had a Fortuna before. I've had a Fortuna Senator, and I actually enjoy the Fortuna Watch Company. I don't think it's anything that I severely dislike. Guys, because this was on the outside of the box already, I did go and take a look at the model before I opened this, so I do have a little bit of information about it. Look at this. I'm fighting with this box, something fierce. Why is it I always fight with watch boxes? What the hell? This one, I swear to God, they played a joke on me and just glued this thing on. There we go. And guys, I'm trying not to rip this because if I trade it away, if I sell it, whatever I do with this watch, let's see. So there it is. There is the Fortuna chronograph. Guys, I'm going to get this guy off this pillow and take a look around it. If it's got any plastic on it, I'll get that off, and then we will take a closer look. All right, guys, so we got the plastic off of this thing, and we got a much closer look at this Fortuna Chronomaster. Now, this is a quartz chronograph. It's running a caliber 26 movement. Stainless steel case. Case diameter on this guy is 43 millimeters in diameter with a case thickness of 11.5 millimeters. Now, you can see also it has that Fortuna logo right there on the crown. Hands on this guy. I think the dial design minus the coloring is really, really cool. I think if they had kept that whole dial just all black, not the dial background itself, but the indices on the dial, if they had kept everything black, I think this would have been a really, really, really sharp watch. The band on this is a Milanese, stainless steel Milanese bracelet. Now, one thing I will point out, and I'm hoping for everybody's instance, this was just a tolerance issue on the specific watch that I got. But you see on this side, wiggles free. This guy over here, yeah, there's no play here. I can force this guy, and it'll go through, but you got to put some pressure in that, and there's no real free movement on that. So I'm not quite sure what's going on with that. I don't know if that was just a manufacturing defect or if the pin's been. I'm going to have to take a look at that. Really, quite honestly, not all that concerned horribly about it. The water resistance on this guy is about 5 ATM. Realistically speaking, though, I would never take this watch in the water simply because I wouldn't want to deal with it. It does not have a screw-down crown. So I just, yeah, I couldn't deal with that. Interesting thing enough, though, is the dial or the display on this is an AR-coated sapphire crystal. So something a little bit different, especially at that $99 price range with Watchgang Black. That AR-coated sapphire crystal, you can see that is a completely flat crystal right there. Decent spec on that for sure. The dial color, they call this one, is champagne. Now, these Fortuna Chronomasters, if you're purchasing directly from Fortuna, they come with a 2-year warranty. If we flip the guy over, you can see the case back on there, if I can get it in the right direction. And see, these guys are made in Germany, does have a sapphire crystal, shows the movement in the watch as well as the reference number for this specific color combination. But guys, that's it. That is my final Watchgang Black Subscription unboxing for February 2019, the final Watchgang Black Subscription unboxing at mywatchaddiction.com. Guys, look out for that video in the future. Definitely post up in the comments section below and let me know what you guys think of this watch. Let me know what you guys think of Watchgang in general. You know, guys, post up. Just let me know what you guys think of Watchgang, because I really, really want to take some of the viewers' feedback and actually loop into that overall review that I do of Watchgang and my personal experience with Watchgang. So, guys, if you're going to rage, rage. If you're happy, be happy. Just give me your experiences. Give me your personal experiences with Watchgang. And let's see what comes out. Anyway, guys, I am going to get out of here. I hope you guys have a great week. And don't forget to check us out next Wednesday. We have another prototype watch to take a look at with you guys that has come in that I'm really, really excited to share. Anyway, guys, I'm out of here. I hope you guys have a great day. Have a great week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and absolutely, if you want to see this watch on my wrist or any other watch, don't forget to follow us on Instagram /watchaddiction.us.